Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Make sure your Fiverr email and two-factor authentication are active for security, and then open the gig settings. Once done, copy the gig title, description, pricing, and all images to a local folder so you can restore later if needed. Next, identify the gig ID and note any active orders or offers. This prevents accidental disruption. Finally, pause new promotions by removing external links and disabling social share options. Do this before disabling visibility to avoid lost payments. Now focus on removing promotion layers. Set the gig status to paused or unpublish it in the dashboard so it stops appearing in search and external channels. Then remove any tracking codes, UTM parameters, or advertising pixels from the gig and your external pages, because those keep driving traffic and impressions. Make sure to cancel or pause Fiverr promoted gigs campaigns and halt any connected Google, Facebook, or email campaigns. Once done, wait 1 to 2 days to confirm impressions drop. Finish by monitoring analytics for 48 to 72 hours to confirm the gig no longer receives new clicks or impressions. This validates your changes. Make sure active orders are either completed or refunded, and message buyers to explain any temporary pause so you avoid disputes. If traffic persists, take a screenshot of analytics and contact Fiverr support with the gig ID and steps you took. They can investigate cached listings or internal promotion. Keep your backup copy safe and re-enable promotions only when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.